Dear students, I hope you are doing well. Dear students, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic that is very common, a basic topic in English language. How will we use this and how will we differentiate different types of this topic? So, the topic is noun we are going to discuss today. I know that everybody knows about noun, but everybody doesn't know about the types of the noun, and it is punctuation and the examples, how to make it plural. So that's why I have made a very beautiful video for you people, and you will watch this. Dear students, first of all, we'll try to know about what noun is actually. What is noun actually? There are many definitions. Noun, simply the concept is that noun is actually name. Noun is name. It makes name to different things. For example, anything in the world is called noun. That's why it is called naming word is a noun. Noun is naming word. Second definition, a very common definition, we know that the name of living, non-living things and concepts is called noun. Living things means all the living organism, animals, birds, human being, and non-living thing means stone, places, everything. And the concepts means the concepts that cannot be touched, cannot be tasted, etc. These are called concepts. Okay, so this is called noun. Now what are the common type, very important types of the noun we will discuss today? The very first type is common noun and proper noun, very interesting type, we will discuss this. Abstract noun, very interesting type this is too. And as well as collective noun is there, and we have the compound noun and how will we use in a sentence, we will try to know about this. Okay, so first of all we will try to define all kinds of the nouns, then we will see the examples. Okay, a general name for a person, name for a person, a place or a thing is called common noun. General, the term, the word general, we have to keep in mind, it is a general name. It is not a specific name. It is not a proper name. It is not a collective name, not an abstract name. That is not a compound name. That is just a general name of anything is called our uh, common noun. Very interesting. And we have the examples of common noun, like man is a common noun, like theater is a common noun, fruit is a common, these all are common noun. Sometimes we are confused that boy, we can take example of boy is common. How it is common? For example, a person whose name is Wajid, another person has the name Rahim. Okay, now both are boys. Both are boys. Now the boy is only one name that is commonly used for both. That is called, sometime it is called common noun. We have to keep in mind this too. Okay, now proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is actually the noun that is specific. We have already said that. We have said a particular noun that is called Adam, as we can say, this is a proper noun. Quran, the Holy Quran is our proper noun, and we can say Pakistan, name of place, that is our proper noun. It names an intangible idea. Okay, now we are discussing abstract noun. It names an intangible idea, quality, or state rather than a tangible object that can be seen, heard, smelled, tasted, or touched. Okay, the things that can be touched, tasted, smelled, heard, or seen are not abstract nouns. The thing that can be felt, not touched, is called, not felt, is called our abstract noun. The example, for example, beauty. We can feel the beauty, we cannot touch the beauty, and we can feel the strength of someone we cannot touch. For example, we cannot touch the courage of any person, we can feel the courage. And for example, as well as we have a lot of other examples, kindness, prettiness, um, all these things are examples of abstract noun. Okay, next is our collective noun. Collective noun refers to group. Okay, group, we have to keep in mind this group. Collective noun refers to group of people, things, people or things. Group of people or things. If there are group of people or things, this is called collective noun. No, but this is not collective noun. The name of the group is called collective noun. For example, if we say there are 11 players, they play in a team. So team is their name. They are a lot, but their name is one team. That's why this is called collective noun. It is very easy. Family is another example, very beautiful example. A lot of people. Staff is another example, and audience is another example. We have police. There is, this is plural form. Police is another collective noun. And last example is, it is made up of two or more words. Compound noun. It is made up of two or more words. It may be written as one word, or separate words, or hyphenated words. It can be written as one word, or it can, sorry, it cannot be written as one word. It can be written as one word, but it is combination of more than two words. That's why it's called compound. For example, airplane and rainforest, runner up, mother in law. All these are types of examples of compound noun. Okay, we will discuss next how to make these noun plural. We will discuss that how can we make these noun as plural. For example, the very first is our common noun. How can we make this noun plural? We will see here. Common noun is mostly added s, es, ies to make it plural. For example, if we say common noun, I will give you an example. Fruits, it is here. Fruits is example of common noun. I add only s to make it plural. For example, desk, desks. Okay, now knife, knives. Okay, sometimes we add es to make it plural. Okay, another thing, for example, catch, catches. We have eyelash, eyelashes, es I added to make it plural. Okay, now proper noun cannot be made plural. It is singular always. Next is our abstract noun cannot be made plural. And next one is our collective noun. Collective noun is mostly added by adding s, es, and ses and ies as a common noun. Okay, as common noun, this is added by ses and ies to make it plural. For example, staffs, we can say staffs, we can say, and families, we can say, teams, we can say. Police is same as plural and singular. We cannot add s to make it plural. Okay, so keep in mind this also. Now next is our punctuation. Proper noun is always, sorry, common noun is always written in lowercase, lowercase. And next is our proper noun always capitalized. Means that, for example, Pakistan, you cannot use the small letter in the beginning. You cannot use small letter q in the beginning. You cannot use a in the beginning here. So that is why this is our uh, proper noun always capitalized. Okay, lowercase. And next is our abstract noun. Abstract noun is not necessary to make it plural, sorry, not capitalized. It is not necessary. We can use it with simple letter, small letter in the beginning. But if it is in the beginning of sentence, we can make it, we have to make it, not can, we have to make it capital. Okay, next is our collective noun. Collective noun is same as common noun. We don't have to make this capitalize. We have to use lowercase. If it is in the beginning of sentence, we will make it plural, otherwise not. Last one is our compound. And in compound sentence, we have to uh, use hyphen. Hyphen is used, as we can see in the examples. Okay, mother-in-law, father-in-law, we can use runner-up. And we can have other examples like whiteboard. Sometimes we use hyphen, and sometimes use hyphen, not every time. So thanks for watching.